I be pushing they buttons. I hold up control like the gamers. Like blah, keep it a stat. Bitches is acid, we keeping it crap. Bad little redhead, she bout the black. We come out, it's a movie, but we don't do that. Live from London, straight from the palace. Manda Magalis, I text us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo. He talk nice cause the pussy gave me how.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jada May. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you an eyebrow tutorial and show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So if you're new here, I hope you stay enjoying the crew. I don't have a name for us yet, but hopefully I'll figure it out. So let's get started. All right, so for this eyebrow tutorial, it's really cheap. Anybody can get these products. Most likely all these products you can get it from the beauty supply store. So the first thing that you want to get is a pencil, and then second thing is a spoolie. So if you got a pencil that don't have a spoolie attached, please get one. I feel like this will be beneficial because you know we have to brush out the eyebrows first. So either get one that has one attached to the pencil, or you know, something else. Just get a spoolie. Okay, and the third thing that you want to get is a foundation brush. You don't necessarily have to get this brush, so I would recommend like a small rounded brush, only for the simple fact that, you know, whenever we get ready to clean up those brows, I feel like you could get in, you know, you can clean it up very well. Okay, so next what you want to get is the most important part, is the concealer. The one that I have is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. So I use this concealer, like this is my regular concealer. I use it for, you know, under the eye, on the chin, nose, and etc. And I use it on my eyebrows. I feel like this looks best. So you can use whatever shade that you prefer. I just prefer the color in the shade Fawn. But let's get on to this tutorial. Okay, so now we are like up close and personal, and right now I'm trying to get the camera focused so you guys can see what I'm doing. I have a really big mirror in front of me, and I'm also looking inside the camera, so if my eyes look every which way, please ignore. So yes, I really just want you to focus on the eyebrows, to be honest. Yeah, so we're just gonna do that. So first what you want to do is get your spoolie and you're gonna brush out your eyebrows. So what this helps is to make sure that all those little hairs that's sticking out, you know, you just want them to be straight. Brush and do it to both sides, of course. Now I am left-handed, so the first eyebrow that I'm going to do is the left. I feel like this is the most comfortable for me. So right now we're just gonna do one eyebrow, and then most likely I will come back and show you how I do the other one. And I start drawing my eyebrow, I like to have it sharpened because I really want my lines to be very precise. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and sharpen your pencil, and see, look at the things, real sharp. Okay, you see this pencil is like really sharp, and this is how I like it when I'm doing my eyebrows. So right now I'm looking through my viewfinder so I can show you how I do it. And what we're gonna do is adjust the focus. Please ignore my acne. But we're gonna go ahead and draw. Oh, I see as I'm turning, it's giving you a better view, so I really like this. So what I like to do when starting, I like to start in front of the eyebrow and draw a very straight line. And I like to get into the middle of the brow where you see the arch. I like to do it like that. Drag it across. And then next, I like to do the tail of the eyebrow. You kind of just follow where your hairs are, and if you want to extend it, you can. Like, cause you see where your eye is at, I kind of like to draw the line where the corner of my eye stops at. And you see how clean that line is? And it's going to be even perfect when we use the concealer. For our next step, I like to go at the top of the eyebrow, but I don't start at the front. We're going to do that last, and I'll show you why. So I like to start in the middle of the eyebrow. And make sure that you're dragging the pencil up. Drag the pencil upward, and then you kind of get to see how the eyebrow is going to turn out. And then from this part, this is like one of the most crucial parts of the eyebrow, and that's really going to define your shape. So for me, I like to do a sharp kind of eyebrow. Sometimes I like to do rounded brows, but for me, I prefer like a very sharp, you know, cornered eyebrow. So I like to grab this, and then what you're not gonna do, you're not gonna go all the way down, because me personally, I feel like it makes it too thick. So you're gonna come from here and drag it down here a little bit. And if you have to do small strokes, please do so and take your time. And you see already, we got the perfect eyebrow, and it's not even shaded in. And then you're gonna finish off that eyebrow and drag it to the front. So see there, you already formed the perfect eyebrow. And next, what you're gonna do, of course, is just shade it in. I like to shade in from the tail and work my way up. Now, I know it looks crazy right now, but I promise you it's gonna look perfect at the end. Okay, so I know my eyebrows look crazy right now, and like I said, your eyebrows aren't gonna be like twins. They're gonna be sisters, okay? They're sisters, not twin, and I always want you to keep in mind whenever you're doing your brows. So we're gonna do the fun part, which is the concealer, which is really gonna seal the deal for this whole eyebrow tutorial. So next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your concealer. Okay, as you've seen before, I put the concealer on this eye, and then I just went ahead and just did this one. So as you can see, we're getting somewhere. Like, the eyebrows are looking better. We still look crazy, but still, we're getting somewhere. And next, this is where that foundation brush is gonna come in, and we're gonna blend this out. So I know sometimes people don't like this look with the concealer, but I do feel like this is very necessary to get perfect brows. So what we're gonna do next is get the foundation brush and go ahead and blend out. I just wanted to stop and show you the end result when we blend out that concealer. Do you see how better that is? Like, that looks really good. So I'm gonna come back and show you when I blend out this side. All right, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? We are almost done, I promise. But I am so happy how these brows turned out. Like, well, so far, because we still look crazy. I told y'all the concealer literally helps. It literally helps. It will, I feel like the concealer, it helps you make or break your shape of the brow, and it makes everything look so seamless when you blend it out. So next, you're gonna get that spoolie again, and you see these little two harsh blocks right here. You're going to blend that out so you could get that little cute ombre effect. I'm just gonna you already see it's already fading, because since it's already so dark, we kind of just want to blend that out a little bit. And you see like the difference. It truly looks way better. You can see the difference between this one and this brow. Bring the hairs up a little bit to make everything uniform, even though it looks absolutely stunning right now. This is it. This is how you do your eyebrows, and it looks great. It honestly looks great. But I really hope you guys learned something in this video. If you have to scroll back through the video just to watch how I did it again, please feel free to do so. This is why I made this tutorial. I know when I first started getting into makeup, it was very hard for me to do eyebrows, and sometimes I just didn't even do my eyebrows, and if I did, it would have changed the game with how I did my makeup, you know, in general. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoyed making it. Yes, I am coming through with the beauty videos. I was so excited to do this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please put it down below. I really want to talk to you guys. I really want to engage into the community right now. Yes, I really want to talk with you guys to see if you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, any beauty tips, any beauty videos that y'all want me to do, please put them in the comment section down below, because I actually really want to do these videos. I have fun doing this, and I'm very happy that these eyebrows came out really good. I feel like this is probably the best time I ever did my eyebrows, no cap. But yes, like, it looks really good. So once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It's your girl Jada May, and I'll see you soon.